How you look so perfect on your worst days. Double C it purchase, you deserve it. In your DM, maybe.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to BossBabeCelia. If you haven't subscribed, make sure y'all hit that post notification bell so you won't miss my next video. And if you have subscribed to my channel, welcome back. So guys, today I was gonna do a vlog, but it was raining so hard outside, so I just said forget it. I just record a video when I get back home. So that's what I'm doing. And just want to say hello and try to, post a video for you guys since this is my new page. But y'all, I'm hungry too, so don't mind me if y'all see me eating some chips. Ooh, they hot. So guys, what I have today, I'll be unboxing some shoes that my husband bought today. We went to Dillard's. So let's see what we have here. We have us some Uggy Uggs. Yes. Yeah, like I said, I wanted to vlog, but it was raining so freaking hard. So I just said, I just do this unboxing for you guys. Show y'all what I got today. So these are the shoes that I got from Babe. I love me some Uggs, y'all. Y'all know it's getting to be Ugg season because it's starting to get cold. But here's my shoes. Thumbnail. So how you guys like my shoes? They are beautiful. I love the sparkle in them. It's like a purplish purple. They are so pretty. Y'all like them? Tell me what y'all think. Here is the other one, which is still wrapped up in the paper. So I tried this one on, but here go the other one. Here's the shoes. I can't wait. Give me some good old tights, some pink outfits from Pink or somewhere. But your girl got to have her shoes. Have her tights with her Uggs. They're just so cute to me. But how you guys day been? Like, how you guys day? My day has been going good. I uploaded a mukbang on my mukbang channel, which is Celia's Chronicles. So if y'all hadn't subscribed to that channel, go over to Celia's Chronicles and subscribe. And I don't know what happened. My comments was turned off. Like, wait a minute. I love to read my comments. So I had to go in and check some stuff out, and the comments was turned off. So it gave me the option to turn the comments back on. So now you guys can comment on the video that I posted last night, which is a mukbang. It kind of scared me there because I was like, YouTube my daughter was on my channel last night, and I know that they was like, they doing like an age restriction, but my child is of age. So I was like, that can't be a reason why they turn these comments off. So yeah, I don't know, but we got that up and running now, so no worries. Y'all can come in if y'all want to. But that's all I have. I just wanted to show you guys my shoes and talk to y'all a little bit. And like I said, my lashes are coming. These are a pair. Let me know if y'all like them. I love them. I love these right here. Like, I should have put this one over, brought it over some, but I just threw them on just to, feel cute on this video today. But anyways, guys, my lash line will be coming soon. I'm just waiting on my orders to get here, and I'm waiting on my boxes for my lashes, and I think that's about it. I have to order my cards, my business cards. I do have to order those, and some more little knickknacks, but y'all will get them. I will keep y'all y'all updated on my Instagram at royaltymink_lashes. So make sure y'all go over there and follow that channel so y'all won't miss whenever I do, you know, post pictures of my lashes or let y'all know when y'all can purchase them. So yeah, make sure y'all go over there and do all that. Subscribe to all my channels so y'all won't miss your girl. And yeah, I think that's all I have to talk about today. Yeah, I'm really enjoying posting these videos for you guys. I am going to be more active on this channel as well. Like I said, this is going to be my blog, beauty, or whatever channel. And I'm just going to keep Celia's Chronicles as Celia's Chronicles, my mukbangs. Because I know everybody don't like to see blogs on my mukbang channels. And everybody don't like to see my beauty stuff over there, you know. So I'm going to try to keep it separate. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So guys, but that's all, like I said, that's all I have for this video today. Let me show y'all a glimpse of my shoes one more time. Y'all, I have a little tiny feet. I wear a size 7. A 7. My feet so small. I'm glad my kids have outgrown my shoes so they won't be able to wear these. You heard me? Zoe is in a size 9. Lex, I think she's in an 8. She probably tried to squeeze her feet over in these shoes, but yeah, we're not having it. Oh my goodness, I love my shoes. Let me stop rambling, because that's all I'm doing. I'm just rambling. But I like talking to you guys. I really do. I love talking to you all. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see me do. Any ideas? Anything. What y'all want to see me do? Talk about on this channel. So, I eat my chips. I know my sis Ivy gonna come over here and talk to me. She love me, yeah, I love her too. Y'all make sure y'all go over and subscribe to the Soaring Seaward family. She have some great vlogs, Mommy Fridays. I love her. Mommy Fridays. I love everything that she do. Like, she's the sweetest person. She is, oh my goodness, y'all just gotta go watch her to see what type of person she is. She's so nice. She's always there for you. And like I said, I never met her in person, but I do talk to her on the telephone. So thank you for being there for me, girl. But yeah, y'all tired of me rambling yet? I'm not. Let me see what else I can tell y'all. I'm gonna be doing story time. I just can't wait to get my product in. I'm so ready to do an unboxing on that. Show y'all what I have. I already got a list stuff in, but it's only like 1 or 2 things, and I just didn't want to do an unboxing on it. I want to get like a lot of stuff so I can show y'all what I'm talking about. So, yeah, let me stop rambling. I've been saying it for the longest. But anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn y'all post notification bell on so you won't miss my next video. And your girl is out. Peace. Love you guys.